Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder items on the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reorder the same items. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner, then click on View All next to Purchase History. So on this page here, scroll down, and then let's go ahead and click on an order that we've made. Now, once you click on an order, scroll down, and you're going to see that there's an option to actually go ahead and click on Reorder All. So click on Reorder All, and then it's going to add all the items to your cart so that you can reorder it again. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reorder items on the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.